Hey guys, it's AJ. I know I haven't posted any videos lately. I've been real busy with work. Today I had work, but I had the next 2 days off. I'm so happy. This is my boyfriend Jeremy. He's cute. Just call him Vanilla Ice. Say hi. Say hi. Make a little hi. But anyways, I got a package in the mail today. I see that smirk on your face, pervert. It's my munch pack. I reordered it. There are some issues. I am going to be getting Japan crate. I'm going to be getting two boxes a month. One for me and one for him, but we're still going to do the unboxing as one because I'm curious to see if he gets something better than me so I can confiscate it. He just wants the packaging, so like I get the food and he gets the packaging. Because he's full. So let's get this on. We have like my little Dairy Lake bag to puke in if we need it. I dyed his hair. Doesn't he look so cute? Okay, I like a red stripe like right there. Yeah, and he's wearing my shirt obviously because he's a douche. And then he just bought me this because I'm bad bitch and he's Batman. He's so cute. I can't stop saying it. Okay, you're gonna get me distracted from food, and that's really hard to do. Okay, I'm gonna start with this because I really want it. It's sweet sour sticks. They're like all twisty and shit. They're made in Turkey. Yeah. Oh no, it's thundering and lightning. Probably not lightning. Roman's scared of it. What the shock he's not. Oh, he's eating. Well, that's why he's not up here over our asses. Are you ready to try one? Ready? One. I'm sour. You're not sour. Fuck. Okay. Next is Angry Birds soft candy pineapple flavor with chili. It literally says with chili. Right there. And it says Dolce and Pasta. And it's from Mexico. Viva la Mexico. Oh, it's like a little thingy, like a little shape, and there's a shape on the thing. I think you use it to what? To twist it? Oh, you use it to break it. It looks gross. That's what it looks like. Give me your finger. It doesn't even smell like paint. Pervert. It's so thick it won't come out. Pineapple, isn't pineapple supposed to be yellow? It's red. Wait. Ew, I don't want that much. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, I got one of those little animal straws from somewhere. Oh, it tastes like I'd rather like asshole than that shit. Pervert. Now we're done. Okay, we got one American Idol. Terrible. I mean, he's dating me. So clearly he can't be super good. Smack me, see what happens. I don't know if I fat, you turd nugget. Okay, as you may know, I got this in one of my munch packs before. And they're delicious, and he likes them too. So we're not going to try it because we already know what it tastes like. But he likes them. And it's Italian. So he's a keeper. It's from your hometown. Or state. No, not state. Home city. Right? Yeah. Country. There we go. I'm overly tired, okay? I've been working with like little freaking Canadians. Ugh. Okay. This I've never heard of. It looks like it's raw. And it's melted because it's hot. It's Get Up and Go. Premium caffeinated smart cookie. All natural chocolate chip. He needs those cookies though. Simmer. Alright, let's try this out. Okay, and okay, they have like a little hole right here. But then it opens like this. Like, clearly it's not a smart cookie. It smells like one of those packaged. It smells like a packaged cookie, not like that uncooked shit like I cook. You bait cracker ain't got nothing on me. Suck it, bitch. Ready? 1, 2. You don't like it? Of course he likes it!
It is a smart cookie.
Nigga, better word. You have a cookie. Okay, these are fresh potato, thick, spicy oyster omelet flavor. So it's potatoes, oyster, it's like potato, oyster, egg, and spice flavor. And you can tell like it's like a little omelet on the picture from Japan, I believe, Taiwan. And he's gonna try them. Nah, I'm not that brave. And then he's going to keep the packaging whether he likes them or not. Their packaging is thick. Like that. It's all the way down to here. And all that air. Get out of here! Oh yeah, this is what I bought him. As I almost got the blade. Look how pretty it is. And it has like a little thingy. This makes me look weak as fuck, but their packaging is... Ow! Pop my titty. No, I don't want to ruin the packaging. He's trusting me with a knife. Clearly that cookie ain't working. Oh yeah, and he bought me flowers just because I said so. Well, I asked him. What are the flowers? I'm used to the one down there. They're worse than the potato. They're worse than the fucking ketchup chips. There's the thingy. There's the bag to spit out. There's the bag. The things he does for love.
Oh.
Just take a drink. What did it taste like?
Oh.
That's not how you describe something. Could you taste the oyster?
Yeah.
Oh. See, he's not as descriptive as I am. I don't want to try it. I don't. He's looking at me like, bitch, I hate you right now. Now you too. I'm not kissing you. I'm getting...
It's like a rat-ass bitch. That's what it tastes like. Ugh.
Okay, anyways. These are muy bon. Wafer filled with hazelnut flavored cream with chocolate flavored coating and peanuts. It looks like pretzel. Because the last time they said it was a wafer, it's fucking pretzel. Filled with peanut butter. And it's from Mexico. Viva la Mexica. So far the first thing from Mexico we didn't like. Leave my otter alone! Yeah, he won me an otter and a doggy from work. Because I wanted it and I gave him the thing. And this is my otter. What's his name? He's got a name. No, he doesn't. Well, his name is Biscuit. Biscuit the otter. He looks like a beaver. No, he's an otter. And this is my puppy. What's your name of the puppy? Evie. Evie the puppy. Yes, we are both Pokemon nerds. Okay, let's eat. Oh my god, it smells good. It looks like a freaking turd. It does, like... It looks like a turd. Okay, I'll take a bite and then you take a bite. This is like some inside. Maybe take a look at it, right?
That was a lot better than you said.
That was gross. Okay. These are called bonbons. No. Those are gonna actually see this. Real bonbons are chocolate covered ice cream, I guess. I thought they were candy. I have something over day. Do not mention the airplane. But these are, it says the Foreign Candy Company. Oh, France! So maybe over there this is like what bonbons are? I don't know, but they're blue raspberry. Are they sour? May contain milk. 22 grams of sugar. Oh, they smell good. I want the tiny one. Look at that big one. If you can't hear it, it's storming. So hopefully it storms so bad that Jack can't go out. As soon as they go, right? Oh, you didn't even wait, you turd. They're chewy. Hope I can order these on Amazon. These like a little French bonbon. I haven't been listening for a while. Oh my tongue's not blue. Weird. This is trying to blow my tongue. That's gonna be me when we get our house. That's what I want you to build for me. What other shoes I have?
You ain't got that many.
That closet and my other closet filled. I still not turning blue. Yeah, 4 more things.
Then here.
Yeah, I'm finally done with mine. Okay, they say that they're lemon wafers, but it's a freaking lime in the picture. These from Taiwan. So I guess it's like lemon or lime flavored crackers. Ooh, they smell good. Why did my voice turn like that? I don't fucking know.
You.
You don't like the scent of them?
Nope.
Those are too bad.
Because you can,
You're gonna try it.
hell no.
It's not bad. No, it's not like an overpowering lemon, which is like a tad. It tastes like the yellow trick piece. Now these, it's shaped like a little hippo. So there's those eyes in them. It's a Kinder Happy Hippo, and these is from these. This is from Dutchland. I love Kinder. Like, if I could get Kinder delivered to my house every fucking day, I'd be like the happiest badass ever. We're gonna eat the hippo. Oh, I thought it was the hippo's butt. And it's like a little cracker with chocolate on it. And it has white chocolate stuff in it. Guys, pure chocolate. You ain't getting more of this. Oh, good. Polish chocolate and Dutch chocolate made me happy. Sorry, babe. It's okay, I should go. Sometimes. Okay. These are from Spain. They're chocolate Marias. Chocolate Maria biscuit. Dude, you haven't even had anything. That's why you're supposed to spit it out if you don't like it, not keep eating it. You have like 2 more things. You just have to take. You've been taking like a little nibble. Pussies. You try doing like 3 boxes of this shit. A freaking video. That's why when I get like my love with food, and all that shit, he's gonna come over and do it with me. They look like that. They're like little thin chocolate cookies. Ooh, these are blood. Oh, blood. I'm gonna get Maria on them. What? Oh, the taste of this dick. Or not. This is like butt. We could throw it through later. I'm gonna keep eating those fucking Maria cookies. Hey, these are canasta. I thought that was a game. Costa Rica. Okay. They're chocolate. And they're like little flowers with like chocolate in the center. Shut the fuck up. I'm doing that on purpose to annoy you. Yep, Costa Rica. What the fuck's Costa Rica? I failed that in school. Oh, I'm asking a stoner. That's a fucking stupid ass fucking idea. Yeah, ask a stoner where something is. Now you vanilla ice. He does that because he knows it makes me laugh. And he thinks that's how he's gonna get out of when I'm mad at him. I can see you on camera, stupid. No. Stop it, go boy. Yes, it is. Yeah, black thing. Too dry for me. You don't like it? Yeah, well, that's that. So, So, what was your favorite one out of the box? Well, you can dig it out and pull it out. It was a these. Tape. You need packing tape? The boxing tape. Okay, well this was his favorite. It's kind of like a. You said you liked that cookie. Well, this is a safe fave. Like, okay, well here. Okay, what's your top 3? Oh shit! You just have to eat it. Just eat it. What's your top 3? Pick one. Okay, this is his top 3 in this order. The bonbons, the Happy Hippo, and then the Smurf cookie. Okay, well my top 3, I actually have top 4. These are my top 4 in this order. The bonbons, the Happy Hippo, the sour thingies, and then the Marias. Okay, what one did you dislike the most? Okay, there's the ones that he disliked the most. The ones I disliked the most were this one. This was disgusting. It didn't taste anything like freaking pineapple. I mean, it's cute because it has chili in it, but it's cute. But it has guajillo chili in it. Don't know what the fuck that is.
It's a Mexican.
Alright, so I'll be getting this twice a month. Japan crate I should be getting shortly. But other than that, that's the end of that. So until next time, bye guys. Bye. Say bye. And Bye guys.